There's a new social media app called TalkCare. Now this app is ideal for anyone in the health and social care sector. Now the app itself you get from the App Store, and what you do is you download the app. You then have to go through a quick registration process. It does send you a verification code. Once you've done that, you're up and running. So from the app itself, you can look at the main feeds, you can edit your profile, you can have more information about yourself, upload pictures, things like that. But also you can then join groups. If you go to the groups and then discover, you can search some of the groups that we have. So the first one we'd have a look at is the First Aid Show. So on the First Aid Show group, we've got all information. We're going to start adding apps on there so that if you want to interact directly with us, you'll see stories that are coming through. You can message us back through the app. You can post on the app, comment on anything. So it's giving us another platform for you to directly communicate with us at the First Aid Show. The other one we've got is the Pet First Aid. And on Pet First Aid, we're going to have more stories, bits and pieces there. But it's a good way that you can give information back to us on your stories or even your questions about Pet First Aid or anything about the pet world. Also with this, we're talking to different people with dogs who work in social care. So any of the assistance dogs, things like that. We'd love to hear your stories. The next group is an Instructor group. And this is where we're putting information on anything to do with the instructor side. So with us at ProTrainings and ITG Instructor Training, we're going to be posting information purely for instructors. The next one is online training. Now, what we've done here is had a group just for looking at the online training side. So we're going to put new courses we're launching, but also again, feedback and information you want, you can just post on there and we can get back to you as soon as possible. The next group is First Aid, and this is literally a group everything First Aid. So, on here we're putting any news, information that comes through, but also again, we'd love to hear your First Aid stories. So post on things where you've done. So anything you've got on there, just pop on. The final group is the main ProTrainings group. Now this would be where we give any information about ProTrainings, so new courses, information, events we're holding, things like that. So with all these groups here, they're easy to search. So just search those titles and you'll find the group. You just hit the join button. Once you've hit the join button, then you'll go straight through and then we'll just approve you and you'll get access to it straight away.